Arts Workfly.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So at this point I already put away all the materials and the stuff that I bought, but I was not able to video that because there are things there that I don't want you guys to see as yet. So what I'm doing now, I'm organizing my pens and my pencils in some of the things that I bought from TEMU. I bought some pencil cases from TEMU. Some I got locally at Fontana Pharmacy, and that is what I'm doing today in this video, packing away all my drawing tools, my drawing pencils and stuff, and trying to get the table a bit more organized. These erasers I got from TEMU and they short me about 3 or 4 because I ordered 10. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in this pencil case here. This is how I organize my drawing tools for commission. I am going to take them out and put them in the new pencil case. I have tools like stencil knife, mechanical pencils, makeshift blending tools. That was my makeshift blending tool. I have big brush to brush off the drawing rather than using my soiled hand to brush off the drawing. Yes, so I have a lot of things. I have makeup brushes, ruler, tissue, small eraser. I have all of those tools there. Some of them I didn't even get a chance to use because I was so busy. I got an electrical rubber from TEMU. So the big thing that we have just seen was an electrical eraser. I also have cotton swab, charcoal pencil, gelling pen. Yes, I have a lot. Over time, I have bought different drawing materials to kind of upgrade my drawing or upgrade my tools, so it would be much easier for me. So with that said, I'm going to do a bit of promotion of myself. I'm going to start taking commissions soon of portrait drawings or painting, so stay tuned for that video when I drop it. So guys, I have a lot coming. Just stay tuned. Sorry for the noise in the voiceover. I am still at work. In this pencil case here, I already started to pack my watercolor pencils. I got this pencil case from TEMU. For those who haven't watched that unboxing video, you can go ahead and watch that video immediately after this one. These are some acrylic markers that I got from TEMU. Also, I haven't tried them as yet, but I will do in another video, so stay tuned for that also. For me, it's so satisfying to get my art tools organized because I'm more focused when my art tools are organized and I can easily reach them to get the drawing done or get the painting done or get the craft done quick and fast. These are some watercolor pens that I got from TEMU. I am going to do a separate video on that to show you how it works. These are some of my different types of detail brushes. The pink set I got from TEMU. The light blue and the purple ones I got from in Jazza Art Box. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that video also. The others, I probably got them from random places and I'm not sure exactly. But these are the new sets of detail brushes that I bought. At this point, I've organized a bit, and now I'm testing out my new lights, my new overhead lights. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.